to help keep you healthy.
The deadline would roll as earlier this year, so don't wait. Call now for free expert guidance and a free quote. Anthem, Blue Cross, and Blue Shield. Call us at 1-800-232-6514 for a free quote. That's 1-800-232-6514. It's the holidays. And of course,
Angus. I'm looking at it. I kind of like a little stuff.
To beat them for a kickoff, guys.
And Evan, Tennessee is coming off an embarrassing 30-8 loss to the Jets. They were down 27-0 at halftime at MetLife Stadium. And the Titans down 3-10 on the season. Patriots won the toss. They have deferred to the second half. So it will be Gostkowski kicking it off to Trey McBride, the rookie of William and Mary. We're on your way in New England. Tennessee will have it at the 20-yard line after the touchback. Marcus Mariota putting up good numbers in his rookie year and all-time marks in franchise history for rookie QBs.
Yeah, he knows he'll be tested by the many disguises and looks he'll get from the Patriots today. That's part of the game he told us he enjoys the most, that process of preparing, practice time, what he might expect. He knows that he'll see some things that he's never seen before. The key is that just be myself.
Open up in a two tight end set with Walker and Fasano. Antonio Andrews, the single setback. Andrews, the spin move, and he takes it for 5 yards to the 25, brought down by Patrick Jones.